Now, YouTube, Vimeo, and some other video hosting sites can be embedded in an InDesign interactive ePub, but I do not recommend it. Lots of things can go wrong, many out of your control. The number of variables involved just make it inherently an unstable way. But if you really, really want to try it, I'm going to show you. But consider yourself warned. Okay, first you just need to find the video you want. So going into YouTube here, I'm going to select this video. Then you want to select share. And then you want the embed option, not the URL. You should see a big chunk of text like this. So copy all that embed code. There's often a button. So that's copied into my clipboard now. So I'm going to go back to InDesign, and under the Object drop-down menu, I'm going to choose Insert HTML. And this window pops up. I paste in the embed code and click OK. And something like this, sometimes it'll be text, sometimes you'll get a graphic representation like this will show up. You won't see the video unless you go to the ePub interactivity preview panel. And if everything's going swimmingly, you might see it there. You can also export your document as an ePub and open it in an ePub reader, which I recommend because a lot of times these video embeds don't work. So I'm going to publish it as a new ePub, open it up in my reader. Now, give it a few seconds to load. Then you might be prompted to click on it to allow access to online content. So you'll click on it, or you'll try to get that video started. And sometimes nothing happens. Still nothing. Okay, so sometimes just repeating the process of pasting in the HTML code will kind of kick InDesign, and it'll work on the second try. So we can see here I'm going fast. It showed up in my preview, exporting as ePub, clicking where it says to click, and nothing. So sometimes quitting your e-reader application and restarting will help. So I'm going to quit out of Apple Books there, and then go back into it and click where it says to click. Giving it some time to load, looking around at other pages. Finally, I'm getting my reader asking for permission, and when I give it permission, it works. But it doesn't always work, and it doesn't always last, so I really don't recommend using this method.